Amazing theory, could humans be living in a world of sleep? Is this really the truth? Human emotions and beliefs are just illusions of consciousness. Think you know everything. Unveiling the mystery of human existence. If we assume that humans live in another world of sleep, then this theory can explain many phenomena and evidence. First, this theory can explain the production and influence of dreams. Dreams are a kind of illusory experience, and they may be illusions formed by our consciousness activities while we are asleep. If we believe that our entire lives are a dream while we are asleep, then this theory can explain why dreams have such a strong impact on our thoughts and emotions. Second, this theory can also explain many scientific questions, such as the uncertainty principle, and entanglement phenomenon in quantum physics. If we assume that the real world is illusory, then these strange phenomena can be explained as our consciousness creating an imaginary world while we are asleep. Finally, this theory can also explain some religious and philosophical concepts, such as the Zoroastrian in Hinduism, and the world of ideas in Plato's philosophy, etc. If we assume that humans live in a world of sleep, then these religious and philosophical concepts can be interpreted as some kind of hints or omens about the real world. This assumption can explain human perception and sensory experiences. According to this theory, human perception and sensory experiences are just illusions produced by consciousness while we are asleep, rather than direct observations of the real world. This can explain why humans may have different feelings and understandings of the same phenomenon, because each person's created illusory world is unique. Secondly, this assumption can explain human memory and forgetfulness. If we assume that the entire real world is just a dream while we are asleep, then human memory and forgetfulness can be explained as consciousness remembering and forgetting dreams. This can also explain why humans may have different memories of the same event, because each person's created illusory world is different. Thirdly, this assumption can explain human emotions and emotional experiences. If we assume that the entire real world is just a dream while we are asleep, then human emotions and emotional experiences can be explained as consciousness reacting emotionally to the plot and characters in dreams. This can also explain why humans may have different emotional reactions to the same event, because each person's created illusory world is different. Finally, this assumption can also explain human beliefs and values. If we assume that the entire real world is just a dream while we are asleep, then human beliefs and values can be explained as consciousness accepting and recognizing the myths and values in dreams. This can also explain why humans may have different degrees of acceptance of the same belief or value, because each person's created illusory world is different. What do you think?